Here's a guide on where you can go to turn on the NFC settings as well as add the quick toggle for the NFC settings on your Galaxy A16 phone with Android 15. If you want the fast access to the NFC settings, use the quick access like this here. And if you don't see it as part of any of these toggles here, like you don't see it there, what you're going to do is tap on the pencil icon right here and go to Edit. And look for it down there, and when you see it, you'll tap on it and it's going to appear anywhere in here, in which you can hold it down and place it to another part of your phone if you so desire. And then just press done, and then now you should have the NFC to it. Okay, you can also long press it like this here. That'll take you straight into the NFC settings. Now, if you just want to check to see if your phone has it, you can always use a quick access. Go to settings, and within the main settings, you'll go to where it says connections right here. Now, once you're in the connections section, you should see NFC and contactless payments. If your Samsung phone doesn't have it, then they just didn't give it to you for some odd reason. And you can turn it on from here or go into it and turn it on and make changes to which features can use the NFC settings, like and sub.